What is up, guys? You're back with your boy VAPEnBASS, and I just want to drop a quick video, alright, on the unboxing of, if you already read the title, you already know of what? Of the JLT cold air intake, alright? This should add, from what I seen with the tune, I think it was like 25 horsepower or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. I have to go back and check. And I'm sorry for the poor lighting. And I'm sorry that I'm kind of whispering. Everybody's sleep in the house. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. But let's get to it. We're going to go ahead and open this thing up and let y'all see what it looks like. Let's get here. Try not to cut myself. This is hard over here. Oh yeah. Still recording. Okay, shut up. Okay. What do we have here? Don't know what this is. Gotta be sure not to turn this box around too many times. Don't want y'all sneaking and seeing my address. I think I broke the scissors. Mom's gonna kill me. I'm holding them backwards. Jesus Christ, there's a lot of paper in here. Alright. So we have the actual air filter, which is huge. Alright. I'm just gonna leave all these out of these extra boxes. What else we got down in here? The coupling that connects to the throttle body. That is pretty freaking smooth. Supposedly this is where the horsepower comes from. The smooth piping, or whatever you want to call it. And then we have the little baby heat shield. Alright, so apparently this stops the heat and only keeps cold air going into the cold air intake. I believe it, not really. No. And then we have the actual housing. So I looked at it the other day and it seems pretty easy to change. Literally, there's a bolt that holds it down, and on here there's like the PMAS sensor and 2 hoses, vacuum line and another vacuum line. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it should literally take me, I think, 30 minutes to 45 minutes to install, and tune is another 15 minutes. So with less than an hour, and I'm literally making another 25 horsepower. I mean, and it cost me all of what? $350. I got some gift cards for Christmas, so it cost me like $200 after all the gift cards I had. So yeah, I mean, American Muscle was the way to go. So we're gonna get back with y'all in the next video, which should be out. Let's see, we're gonna do the install. If it's not raining Saturday, we're gonna drop it in on Saturday. We're gonna tune the car, and then we're gonna try to drop another video with the first reaction, which should drop maybe that Sunday, depending on if it rains or not, again, because we don't want to do any wide open throttle pulls with water on the ground. That'll be tragic. Of course, I drive a Mustang, crowd control. We don't want to do that. All right, so I will see you guys then. I appreciate y'all stopping through. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I will get back with you guys in the next video.